your options in the phone and the still can't still can't do. Brand new money, everything new. YSL bag, YSL shoe, cash out blue, big money boo.
Hello everyone, I am Aexa, and today I am going to be doing a creator tutorial. Today we will be creating some nails, and the shape that they're going to be is stiletto. This was a requested video by a friend on VU. She's also my best friend here, and so we're just going to be creating some nails. So the product that I'm going to be using to derive these nails is this product right here, and the creator is this person. And basically, and I'll also leave this link in the description, by the way, too. So what you're gonna do first, what you need to do is go ahead and grab the maps that she gives you at the bottom. And this is actually going to go into my creating files. And when I'm creating, I have folders for different things that I'm going to put in my shop. So like I have a folder strictly for nails, and then you have the opacity maps here, all the maps that I created, and their UV maps that I cut them from. So since I've already saved those files, we're going to hop in and go ahead and derive from this product. Okay, so here we are. The nails have loaded, and you're going to be in editor 1 when you first start creating something. And what I usually do before I create my nails is I have this product called Hands Only. Let me see if I can open that up. And I'll also link that too. So you're gonna get this product here. You're gonna get the Hands Only, and then you're gonna get the hands that I'm about to derive from, because I'm going to make them derivable for you, so that saves you time as well if you want to create your own. And what I'm just going to do is just add a random skin just to color the hands and make them look nice. And then we're just going to give them a pose, because these hands come with a pose, and also I do have nail poses in here too. So it's good to find you some nail poses, like hand poses, for when you take your icon pics. So let me just remember what it's called. Nail feed, I think. Nail feed. No. Pose pack. It's called nail pose pack, and I'll give y'all that too. Alright, so we got our hands, our skin, and our pose pack to start with, and I'm just gonna, you know, give them a pose real quick just to set them up for editing. Alright, and let me just zoom down. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take off these bows. Actually, I'm just gonna take the opacity map and just make it black. It's always good to save a regular like image of color, of different colors. That way when you're creating, it makes it easier for you, especially if you're popping out products constantly. You already have this stuff ready for you to use. So we just added the black, and it took away the bows. So I just started creating in a way where I make my nails slightly thicker, and the way I do that is I just put the opacity that we're about to make twice on both materials. Give me a minute, because I'm trying to process what I'm gonna say. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so basically, we're gonna head over into Photoshop, and I'm just gonna open up the UV map in Photoshop. And I save everything on my drive. Like, I have an external drive, so I just save everything there just in case I get moved somewhere else to a different computer. I already have my stuff ready and waiting for me. So it's pretty good to have like a good drive. My drive has 2 terabytes, so it's pretty big. And I rarely, I'm not even full, like I haven't even filled up all the space. So this is really good, especially for me because I'm constantly doing stuff. Alright, so let me just get to the folder. Come on. And I'm going to go to opacity maps, and then I'm going to find our UV map. I think that's what it's called anyway. I'm calling it that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is unlock this layer, and by unlocking it, you just double click the layer wherever you have a locked sign on the layer tab, and I'm just going to move it up, and then I'm going to take the opacity down some. This is going to help us later when we start cutting out our nails. So I'm going to go ahead and fill a black layer at the bottom, and then this empty layer is where we're going to create our stiletto. So the first thing you want to do is kind of zoom in real close so you can see the map up close and get to where when you start cutting, you can start testing it. So what I'm going to do is what I just did is click the bottom of this map, and I'm clicking, hold up, let me stop. Okay, I'm clicking on this lasso tool here, and I'm using the polygonal lasso tool, and I'm just going to click and make my shape at the bottom. Actually, I don't want to do that. I'm going to create the cuticle area at the top first. I like to cut around the margins a little bit on the inside because I don't like my nails to be so wide when I'm making them. So I kind of cut in a little bit. You don't have to do this. If you want your nails to be like fitting all the way, then you can just, you know, cut where you see, wherever you want to cut. So once I cut this out, I'm going to make sure I connect it all the way around, and then I'm going to fill it with the white. White is what's going to show up on the product when you're creating, and black is going to take away from the product. So what I'm going to do next is take this off of here really quickly, or take it down some, just so I can see if I need to cut more of this nail and shape it more. It's almost like when I do nails in real life, if I gotta fix like the shape a little bit. That's the way I look at it anyway, because I do nails for real. So I just brought it to the game, and I just deselected that. Why did I do that? Delete. Okay, now we have our first stiletto. Next thing I do is just click Control J about 4 times and move it to the other parts of the map. What I'm going to do next is just save this image and plop it into the editor just to see how it looks. As you can see that this edge right here, I can go back in and cut that, but for right now we're going to see where we are so far. And then I'm just going to take it and we're just going to plop it in there and leave the textures that we have. Leave them textures on there, because what y'all finna see is how I do this, how they get thick like this. And here it is. Alright, This is the test version. Alright, and then let's do a pose. And I'm gonna just drop like a regular texture in here that I already made, like showing. I'm gonna just pop this green one in here. Alright, and then pose so you can see how the shape looks. Alright, so when you look at it, you can see where that square thingy is that I was talking about, and I don't like that. So what I'm about to go do is I'm about to just delete them because we don't need them. That's another thing. While you're editing, it's good to leave everything like ready. And you might even want to save this as a project just in case you close out of it. But we're just going to cut around this a little bit, and I'm gonna put this at the bottom because sometimes like I'm used to having it at the bottom anyway, especially when cutting out nails like this. To double them up like on the top layer because it makes them look, you know, structured like you would get acrylic in real life. You know, that's why I would do it like that. So now we're gonna, you know, find some cute nails and texture them. Now you can do this the easy way or the hard way. My way of doing it, depending on what I want to do, I do it both ways. Okay, so I'ma just, you know, go Google some nails. That's the way I do it. We're gonna do the foil ones because I like these. I just can't believe I made them. I just can't. Alright, and we're gonna save them. Alright. Okay, so we got our picture. Let me just zoom out real quick. Just a little bit. Alright, and then we're gonna paste. No, place our picture that we're gonna use. Alright, now I'm gonna zoom into the nail that I want to cut out, and then I'm gonna sharpen it. Alright, now we're gonna cut out this nail, and I'm also gonna cut out a plain orange one. Wait. Oh. Okay. Let me zoom in real good. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to do this, but for me, you know. I'm gonna plop them in. Alright, and then we're just going to into. And that's what they look like. Okay? That's what they look like. Alright, and what I'm gonna do, cause I think I wanna use some stiletto maps that I already made. Which one was it? I think I like this one. Yeah, cause I had rounded them off, and I spent the most time on them, so I want them to be cute. So this is what they look like with the map that I took the time to make. You see how that cuticle area round and stuff? Like, I like that. I like that. It's sharp and cute. Okay, so now let's find a nice pose. Apply changes, say blah blah blah.
No.
Just gonna publish it, and it's ready to go. It's ready. Okay, y'all see this? Y'all see this? The product is here. It's in session. Don't worry about how I look on my screen, because it's gonna look better when it loads up in my inventory. See that? Yeah. Alright. Now, that is all for this video. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave in the comments, you know, what else I can help you with. Stuff like that, you know, what you want to see next, I guess, too. And go ahead and subscribe to my other channel. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere so you can see it. And we're gonna be uploading today too. Not today, y'all, Friday. These videos will be here Friday. Okay, I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm riding this lace, pulling my hair, you know where I do lace. Cornbread bad, baby, ain't shit fake. We don't need to take, still can't do. Never too famous to beat a bitch ass, still will do. Bad little boo, and she got a fatty, but she don't even know how to make that shit. Me and hoes too.